Snack time. Ayan. Ang kinalang snack today is apple. May kasabihan po tayo, one apple a day keep doctors away. Kay MJ at Caster naman, one apple a day make my days complete. Right? Diba? Once apple. Ay! Ayan, snack time nila. Caster. Good girl. Caster, you don't need to lie down, darling. MJ? Yan si MJ. Ayan. Mahina kumain si Caster. Si MJ, ubos na. Okay? Yun. Si Custard. I told you. Ayan na lang natira. Ayan. Last two. Stay there. Okay? Ladies first. I told you not to. Ayan. One apple a day. Ano namin yung Custard? One apple a day? Keep your days complete. Is it, Custard? Is it, Custard? Sit. Sit. Custard, sit. Custard. Say bye-bye, Custard. How you say bye-bye? Custard. Say bye-bye. Ow, ow. Custard. Ay, naligo kasi sila kaya yan. Mga medyo pagod na pagod. Say bye-bye. Tignan mo yung mga alaga ko. Guwapo ni MJ. Oh. Si Custard, ang ganda-ganda ng darling ko. Oh, diba? Oh. Ikaw ba naman may alagang ganyan? Ay, nako. Look at them. Look, my handsome boy. Where's my pretty girl? Are you my pretty girl, darling? MJ, is that my darling toy? Is that your toy, darling? Huh? Is that your toy? Oh, is it? Okay, are you coming with me inside the kitchen? Yes? You wanna come? Oh, is it? You wanna come inside the kitchen? You wanna come? Okay, come. Custard, come. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she is so happy. She is so happy. Stay here, darling, okay? Yes? Stay here, okay? Oh, look at that. He's a happy dog. Who is a happy dog? My darling. What is that? Whose toy is that? Is that your toy? Okay, what happened to you, darling? MJ here. Jay. Look at that. What happened to you? Huh? What happened to you? Huh? MJ. MJ.